Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ciara. Guess who got her hair blown out? I finally got it blown out. I haven't had my hair blown out, straightened, or flat ironed in a while. I rarely ever do my hair straight, so I did get my hair flat ironed and cut. Not all in this video. I'm gonna upload a separate video showing you guys me getting my hair cut. I just wanted some layers. My hair's gotten so long that when it's curly, I feel like it doesn't have any shape, so I wanted to get some layers cut into it, as well as just another trim. I just recently got one. Here goes the before and after. The orange is the before and the purple is after. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into the video, and I want to just do a quick little growth check-in. First picture with the gold and black dress is from 2014. The black shirt is from 2016, and the orange is from 2017. So I've already been shampooed and conditioned, and now she's just going to blow out my hair, and I'm drinking a mimosa, living my best life. It just feels so nice not to have to do my hair. Lately, I have just been annoyed with my hair. It's been really dry. I feel like the styles haven't been coming out as bomb, and the shape is just blah. So I wanted to just switch it up a little bit, but I promise y'all, I'm done cutting my hair for a while. I want to see some growth. Let me know down below in the comments if you prefer to wear your natural hair straight or curly. I got a bunch of comments saying that they actually prefer, people commenting saying they actually prefer to wear their natural hair straight. And this week that I've been wearing my natural hair straight, the only thing that I don't like is the amount of frizz that I get, of course, because it's super humid in Texas. And if I stay out too late, it feels like it's misting in the air, so my hair has almost completely reverted, and it's only been a week and a half. So that's my only downside, but I do think it's kind of easy wearing your hair straight, because all you have to do is put some oil and rollers at night, and you wake up and you are ready to go. So that is one thing that I do like about having my hair straight for a while. But of course, I'm always gonna miss my big act. So the technique that she's using is the round brush method, where you take the brush, and you guys know what this is. You just use the round brush and you apply the heat to it. And I think that's a good method to get your hair really smooth really quick. When I was growing up, the only way my mother could get my hair smooth from root to tip is by doing a roller set. So she would use like old school Lotta Body setting lotion, rollers, and I would have to sit under the hair dryer for a long time. I'm gonna see if I can find a picture to show you guys, but that's the only way that my hair can get completely smooth. Blowouts, they give me a nice straight look, but in order to get it like completely sleek, I would have to sit under the dryer for some reason. My hair looks really shiny. I was like, yes. She honestly did a really good job. And if you follow me on Instagram, you see that I went to the blow bar in Dallas, and she did a really good job. I felt like when she blew my hair out, it was very silky instead of really puffy. So I'm also gonna go for a holiday style. So I don't like bone straight hair or hair that's really sleek. So I asked her to make my hair a little bit more frizzy, and you can see at the end when she's combing my curls out. But I also wanted to go with a straight look, but with curls at the bottom. I don't know, it's just, straight hair is really not my thing. I don't like just sleek straight hair. I need some type of curl or body to it. I think that's why I really like my natural hair. So I get a lot of questions about like how often do I straighten my hair, and honestly this year I've gotten it blown out twice because of just trying out, you know, different blow bars and things like that. But on a regular basis, sometimes I don't even straighten my hair the entire year. Just depends, honestly. Yeah, I don't really put heat on my hair rather than blow drying. I do a lot of blow drying and sometimes stretching my curls, which I'm about to stop. I'm gonna do like a heat-free challenge for the winter, just so I can see if I can really preserve the moisture in my hair, because before I got my cut and stuff, it has been really dry, and I have been on the verge of big chopping. This gave me the change that I've been itching for without going drastic, because honestly, I like short TWA hair, but I also want to see how long my hair can get and just keep it healthy. So yeah, this is my hair now, and you guys remember I did have alopecia, so even though I hate getting trims, I'm just grateful that my hair grew back and it's healthy and it's flourishing. This is honestly the healthiest my hair has ever been, and I can't wait for you guys to see my trim video. I also went home and just added a little bit more oil, and I added some perm rods, the green ones, and it really gave me a lot of body and just bounciness. So this is the finished product. Please let me know if you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love and blessings. Bye.